Hey everybody, this is Heather from foodloveandfamily.com. Some days you just need chocolate, and today I'm going to show you how to make my favorite chocolate sheet cake. We're going to start with a box chocolate cake mix. Then we're going to add a few extra ingredients to put it over the top. Next, we're going to make a fudgy chocolate frosting that's super easy and really makes this cake stand out. So grab your aprons and let's get started. We're going to start with a cake mix. I'm using Devil Foods cake, but you could also use chocolate cake. Next, we're going to add chocolate Jell-O instant pudding mix. This adds nice flavor and extra moisture to the cake. And then we're going to add in some eggs, some water, and some vegetable oil. These are all the ingredients that are on the back of the box. Next, we're going to add in buttermilk. If you're in a pinch and don't have it, you can use regular milk, but I do love buttermilk for this. I'll give everything a good mix. We're going to spray our pan and then add the batter to the pan. Make sure to spread it out nice and even. This is a 9 by 13 sheet pan I'm using, and it has a little lip to it, so it makes the perfect pan for a sheet cake. Frosting, we're going to add some powdered sugar to a mixing bowl. Then in a saucepan, we're going to add butter, cocoa powder, and then finally some milk. We're going to stir this on medium heat, and we want it to come to a little bit of a boil. So once you start seeing bubbles, go ahead and turn it off. We're going to add some vanilla extract to the powdered sugar and then mix in our chocolate mixture. We're going to beat that with an electric mixer until it becomes nice and creamy. Now it's time to go ahead and spread that frosting over top of our cake, and then it'll be ready to eat.